It's what we are breathing now or forced to breathe on a daily basis in the past few days. Our national capital, Delhi, and the NCR region literally feels like a gas chamber. The air that we are breathing right now, it feels poisonous, it hurts our eyes and is difficult to breathe. There are respiratory concerns being reported to the doctors. Delhi residents woke up to a thick layer of smog. Air quality has deteriorated to severe levels in the city. Several cities, not just Delhi, around, for example, Noida, Faridabad, Gurugram, Chandigarh, all of these cities in the northern belt are experiencing toxic air, poor visibility as well of the past few weeks. There are breathing difficulties, especially for children and elderly citizens. Basically, since the month of October, Delhi NCR has reported the air quality that has dipped, mainly because of stubble burning and other issues. But the fact is, no policy is being made strong enough, no action strong enough by the leaders to ensure that people can get respite.
It's another day of November when we see a thick layer of smog, and this time not only in Delhi and NCR but perhaps across northern India. But what we see in the Litins Delhi, in the national capital, right behind me, exactly this at Mandi House, I see the visibility is clearly impacted, and I see not more than 1 kilometer at this particular stretch. Even the bright shine sun, but now the layer of fog that I see is clearly that is now being really comfortable to see the sun, and of course the haze all around, and this has severely impacted even the air quality index, as already the air in Delhi, NCR, northern India were in severe category, in very poor category, in poor category, and because of this fog now this is also a smog contributing to this situation, which makes the air extremely toxic. And now as you go further in the outer areas of Delhi NCR, clearly the highways, the road transport will be adversely affected. At Delhi's airport, the visibility was recorded even at 500 meters, and this is just second day of November when we see this kind of fog situation in northern India. At Delhi's Mandi House with Sanjay Kumar, I'm Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
हम इस समय दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पर हैं और यहाँ जो मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं, अमूमन यही तस्वीरें दिसंबर जनवरी में जब दिखती थी, घने कोहरे की चादर। हालांकि जो एयरपोर्ट के बाहर का इलाका है, यहाँ फिर भी आप 1.5-2 किलोमीटर तक देख पा रहे हैं, लेकिन आगे जो लेयर है इससे समझ में आता है कि रनवे का जो इलाका है, जहाँ पर एयर सर्विसेज होती हैं, उस इलाकों में टारमैक हो, रनवे हो, वहां पर चूंकि कोहरा वहां सेटल होगा, ज्यादा खुला इलाका है, तो वहां विजिबिलिटी कैसे प्रभावित हुई है। खासकर 6 बजे से लेकर के 8, साढ़े 8, 9 बजे तक ये जो डेवलपमेंट होते हैं, वो इस 3 घंटों में सबसे ज्यादा कोहरा बढ़ता है, और अमूमन यही जब पीक सर्दी आती है तब हम देखते हैं। लेकिन इस बार नवंबर में दिख रहा है, और जैसे बाहर आप एरो सिटी को देखेंगे, एरो सिटी के ऊपर ये देखिए, ये जो इमारतें हैं ये ज्यादा दूर नहीं है हमसे, लेकिन उसके बावजूद आप देखेंगे कि आंखों से ओझल हो रहे हैं, यानी यहाँ पर विजिबिलिटी 800 मीटर से भी कम है। और ये स्थिति आप समझिए कि पूरे उत्तर भारत में है।